Hello and welcome to the PE Portal, where you could find anything that you need to succeed in AQA GCSE PE. Now in this course what we've done is taken the AQA specification and divided the 2-year course up into 50 different lessons. Now each one of these is designed to last between 1 and 2 weeks depending on your teaching style and the learning speed of your children. But we've taken 50 of the key topics from all 6 of the examined units, and in each one of these we've written the lesson presentation, the activity sheet that accompanies that presentation, a flashcard to summarise all of that content, a revision video that summarises it in teaching format, as well as a full 30 to 40 minute full tutorial video. As a teacher, you'll be able to access all of these both in class or at home for preparation for yourself and your lessons, as well as the downloadable PowerPoints and worksheets so that if you need to, you can edit and tailor them to your specific requirements. Your students would then have their own unique login details, so they'd be able to access each one of these lessons from home on a smart device like an iPad, a smartphone, a laptop, a PC, wherever with an internet connection. But in each one of these lessons, what you can see is that the presentation is followed by the activity sheet, which is followed by the flashcard, followed by a full, in this case 35-minute tutorial of me going through the lesson presentation like I would and have done in classes, a summary revision video just to condense it all down for sharper, shorter revision snippets, and at the end a bit of a short quiz to test retention and recall of information. That layout is in all 50 of these sections, and you'd be able to access that for the full 2 years of teaching. Our aim has and will always be to make this as affordable to schools as possible. That's why all school plans are a fixed price and you can have an unlimited number of teacher and student accounts. You can add and remove them as you see fit. It's just one annual subscription for as many accounts as you need. So get ahead with your teaching planning and give your students everything they need to succeed with their exams and enrol below. For more information or any questions, please don't hesitate in getting in touch via email. I look forward to working with you soon.